Hi everyone, it's Lou Collins for CraftStash. Now, over on CraftStash, we have got the Black Friday event still running. It's been going since Saturday. Today is Wednesday, the 27th of November. We still have many more days to go, but we are adding new offers every day. And I want to tell you about today's offers. So we still have lots running all the way through to Cyber Monday. You can find all the details online and in the description below. But the main offers that I want to shout about today are Creative Craft products, first of all. Now, Creative Craft products, we have got 50% or up to 50% off of the tools. So things like your scoreboards, your trimmers, definitely stock up on those while they are at such amazing prices. Then we've also got 30% off of Tim Holtz Distress. Now, you know I'm a big fan of all of the Distress products. I will definitely be shopping this evening. But as I say, while stocks last, all these offers are going to be running until Cyber Monday anyway. So you've got a little bit of time. Then we've also got Silhouette. So Silhouette, if you like your cutting machines, we have got up to 50% of Silhouette products. And if you like stamping adventures in ink are also on offer. So that is also up to 50%. Then Fiskars. Now Fiskars, I absolutely adore my Fiskars embroidery scissors, which I use for my fussy cutting, but there's lots of other tools under the brand as well that you can take a look at. And there's up to 30% off of those as well. Now, something else I want to talk to you about today is the mystery goodie bags. These were so popular earlier in the year. They have restocked them all and they are all available there as well. So each one has some mystery products and you are getting well more than the amount you're paying for them. Go and check those out. You've got things like Made to Surprise brand. You've got a branded one for textures. You've got a branded one for card making magic. You've also got an adhesives one, a stamping one. There's lots of different themes in there that you can go for. And as I say, they did sell out last time and I'm sure these ones will do soon too. Now, as well as all of this, we've also got an additional 10% off if you are a CraftStash VIP member. If you are not already, don't forget to check the details on the website and check out a membership before you make any purchases. That's not only going to get you your 10% off, but also your double points and your priority dispatch as well. So happy shopping, everybody. Join me again tomorrow here and I will be letting you know about all the new offers for them too. Take care. Bye bye.